welcome to the first topic in this next lesson. This is how to create a webhook in Zapier. And we are going to review this very quick. This will be a short video to give you a step-by-step review of how to get that webhook URL for use in your responsive site editor website. So without further ado, let's go ahead from our home dashboard here in Zapier. Go to search for an app, and we're going to select webhooks, or type in webhook and select webhooks by Zapier. And now we are going to select Twilio, since this is text messaging. And we're going to let this be our automated app and let it pre-build for us. If you followed along in the introduction to Zapier course, or I'm sorry, topic, that video reviewed quickly how to get to this point. So once I created this integration the first time, it remembers it, and so it'll automatically populate it. Let's go back and I'll show you that again. Nope, from the dashboard. So if you're on your dashboard, you can select webhooks by Zapier and then Twilio. And since I've created this once already, it's going to auto-populate an example of a Zap. And what it's going to do is pull open the Webhooks app and the Twilio app both inside that Zap at the same time, so that you can build out this Zap quicker than, say, if you were to build it from scratch. So Zapier in and of itself has some great features that help you be more efficient as time goes on. It's built inherently within the software. But here is our webhook URL, and with any website that you're going to use, third-party CRM, customer relationship manager, they typically have webhook integration, like 99% of them do. So if they say, oh, well, we have a webhook, great. If we can integrate via webhook, you can go ahead and grab that information from your website and use the webhook on responsive site editor to integrate directly with it. Or you can do what we're doing here, which is use Zapier to integrate with third parties. So we are going to integrate with a third party, Twilio. And so we see our webhook URL here. All you have to do, it's really this simple, is just copy it to your clipboard and then go over to the responsive site editor and paste it into your form, and you're done. We will do that in the following topics, and we got a couple other automation things to review before we get to that point, but sit tight and on to the next topic. Oh, and one more thing. When you have this created, as long as you see up here, you can change your name. Go ahead and change it to something, for instance, text automation, and go ahead and back out of the actual Zap. It will save it for you in your Zaps here, so you can go back to it later. All right, guys, on to the next topic.